Struggling to make your photos pop? Designs. AI's face swap tool is a game changer. Imagine swapping your face into any scene with seamless integration. I've transformed my boring photos into stunning works of art. With customizable designs, I've become the main character in holiday scenes and futuristic adventures. It's like magic! The best part? The high-quality results keep my original photos intact, making every swap look professional. Ready to up your photo game? Grab Design's AI's face swap tool now and start creating unforgettable moments.